Right then, have I got some news for you guys. We have the man himself, Patrick Stewart, Jean-Luc Picard. He's back in the game. This was rumoured fairly recently that CBS are looking to expand their Star Trek universe, and Patrick Stewart was rumoured to be in talks to either do some kind of voice acting or live action. It wasn't very clear cut, but now it seems like he may be returning completely to reprise the role as a live action version of himself, but he released on Twitter the following statement. I will always be very proud to have been a part of Star Trek: The Next Generation, but when we wrapped that final movie in the spring of 2002, I truly felt my time with Star Trek had run its natural course. It is, therefore, an unexpected but delightful surprise to find myself excited and invigorated to be returning to Jean-Luc Picard, and to explore new dimensions within him, seeking out new life for him when I thought that life was over. During these past years, it has been humbling to hear stories about how the next generation brought people comfort, saw them through difficult periods in their lives, or how the example of Jean-Luc inspired so many to follow in his footsteps, pursuing science, exploration, and leadership. I feel I'm ready to return to him for the same reason, to research and experience what comforting and reforming light he might shine on these often very dark times. I look forward to working with our brilliant creative team as we endeavour to bring a fresh, unexpected, and pertinent story to life once more. Patrick. So there you have it. I mean, it's quite a lengthy and in-depth statement. The sentiments are essentially just over his enjoyment for the character and also the enjoyment that people have had for the character as well. It's still not 100% confirmed whether he will be a voice actor or whether it will be live action, but what a fantastic piece of news. CBS, they've been hit very hard with Star Trek Discovery, and it's been slated, and rightfully so. But this could be a step in the right direction, hopefully. But we'll see how it goes. What do you think about this though? Drop all your thoughts down below in the comment section. As always, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like and a share. That really helps me out. And guys, if you didn't know, I do have a Patreon. You can check it out via the link in the description box. But I've been Mr. H, and I'll catch you in the next video.